Tonight I am making quesadillas. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen while I make these easy and yummy steak quesadillas from start to finish. Quesadillas are so quick and easy to make, and you can put anything in them and eat them any time of day. Tonight I am making some steak quesadillas for dinner, so I'm packing them full of meat and flavor. I'm starting by making the vegetable mixture that is going to be one of my layers in the quesadilla. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in some olive oil, diced onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, and a little salt. Cooking and stirring for about 5 minutes or until they are tender. This is a great time to add some flavor, so I'm adding in some minced garlic and letting that cook for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then removing from the heat and setting to the side. Next is the beef. I'm using a shaved beef that I got from our local store. It is the finest cut and it is so thin you can almost see through the pieces. This beef will not take long at all to cook. In the same skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a little more oil and the shaved beef. Seasoning with a little salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring till I no longer see pink left. Right before I take it off the heat, I'm adding a little Worcestershire sauce for flavor. I think it really adds a nice tang. Stir and remove the beef from the pan and set to the side. Now it's time to make these steak quesadillas. I'm using my grill pan tonight and coating with a little oil. I have my heat on a low medium. I also brushed the downside of the flour tortilla with a little oil. The key to making a quesadilla is starting and ending with cheese, and this is going to help hold it or glue it together. I have some grated Monterey Jack, putting on a generous layer of beef, and this is some grated pepper jack cheese. I thought it would add a nice bite. Now a layer of the cooked garlic veggies, and finally topping with some more Monterey Jack cheese. I'm folding over the tortilla and giving it a smash with my spatula to keep it in place. Letting the quesadilla cook for a couple minutes and keep checking the bottom so it doesn't burn. You may need to adjust your heat along the way. Once I see the cheese melting, I'm giving it a flip and cooking for another minute. Letting the steak quesadilla rest for a minute or two and then cutting in half. I'm serving tonight with a garden salsa and a side of lime. These steak quesadillas were so good. I loved the flavor of the shaved beef, the garlic veggies, and of course, who doesn't like the ooey gooey cheese? I hope you give these steak quesadillas a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!